not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's and yesterday's Hindu newspaper, along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video. Download it mentioned in the description below. Let's start. What is the total length of India's longest rail-cum-road bridge, the Bogibeel Bridge? 4.90 kilometers, 4.92 kilometers, 4.94 kilometers or 4.96 kilometers? The answer is C, 4.94 kilometers. Remember the number, very important from exam point of view as questions can be framed here. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the Bogibeel Bridge, which is said to be India's longest rail-cum-road bridge. Now, the foundation stone of this bridge had been laid down by former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda in the year 1997 itself, but the actual work was initiated by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee in the year 2002. Now, this bridge connects Dibrugarh district in Assam to Dhemaji district. We have already discussed about this bridge. It reduces the distance between Arunachal Pradesh and Assam to almost 600 to 700 kilometers. The cost of this bridge is 5,920 crore, and this bridge is said to be the architectural marvel as it is India's fully welded steel bridge that did not use even a single nut or bolt in the construction. What is Project Sangha in the Leh district of Jammu and Kashmir? Sustainable waste management, sustainable water management, skill upgradation, providing clean and efficient energy. The answer is A, sustainable waste management in rural areas is the Project Sangha. Now, Leh and Ladakh are the tourist hotspots in Jammu and Kashmir. So much of waste is generated as many people are visiting these areas, followed by the movie Three Idiots. Three Idiots was released in 2009, which showcases many places of Jammu and Kashmir, including the Pangong Lake. Now, 3 lakh people visited Ladakh in 2018 itself. Officials introduced the Project Sangha this year, 2018, converting the waste into revenue-generating goods. Now, tons of waste collected and recycled into products like biofuel and bricks. Paper and cloth waste are used for making decorative items. Sustainable Development Goals aims to bring down the neonatal deaths by what number per 1,000 births by the end of the year 2030? 12 deaths or less, 15 deaths or less, 20 deaths or less, 30 deaths or less. The answer is A, 12 deaths or less. A very important question. These kind of questions appear in State Public Service Commission or the UPSCs. Do remember all the Sustainable Development Goals. Now, Goal 3 of the SDG says ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. And under this Goal 3, it says to reduce the neonatal mortality to at least as low as 12 per 1,000 live births. Now, the current number of neonatal deaths in India is 25 deaths per 1,000 live births. So, this number should get down to 12 deaths or less by the end of 2030. Now, recent study by WHO and UNICEF says 30 million newborns require specialized care in hospital every year. So, therefore, the study calls for the more investment in healthcare by the lower and the middle income countries. Which state is termed as deadly dangerous for the right to information activists, with 5 of them being killed in 2018 alone? Gujarat, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is B, Bihar. The state of Bihar is termed as dangerous for RTI activists. 5 RTI activists were killed in Bihar in 2018 alone. The recent one was the Bola Shah. He was an RTI activist who exposed the financial irregularities in social welfare schemes. He was kidnapped and murdered on 23rd of December 2018. Now, under Right to Information Act 2005, any citizen of India may request information from a public authority which is required to reply within 30 days. Now, this law is expected to bring transparency and to eradicate corruption, and the territorial extent of this act is whole of India except Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir has their own RTA Act. Which state accounts for the largest number of cases related to leopard poaching since 2015? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is B, Uttarakhand. The state of Uttarakhand accounts for the largest number of cases related to leopard poaching. Total 260 leopards were poached since 2015. And Uttarakhand tops the list with 60 cases, followed by Himachal Pradesh with 49 cases. Now, this was the information given to Parliament of India by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Which states have the highest number of proportion of women MLAs in the state assemblies? Nagaland, West Bengal, Haryana, Kerala. The answer is C, Haryana. Very important, the state of Haryana has the highest number of proportion of women MLAs in the state assemblies. 2001 to 2018 data has been compared with 1983 to 2000 data. Haryana tops the list with 15% of women MLAs currently in their state assemblies. Earlier we have discussed about the stats of Haryana 2011 census. Haryana had ranked the lowest in the sex ratio with only 879 females per 1000 males. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program was initiated in the state of Haryana to eradicate the female feticide. Now remember, the state of Haryana has the highest number of proportion of women MLAs in their state assembly. Nagaland has 0% women MLAs, and Kerala, which is said to be the women dominated state, has below 6% of women MLAs in their state. New states formed after 2000 not taken consideration. Now let's see the new states formed after 2000, very important from exam point of view, previously asked many times. This is the area where you lose marks, so concentrate on these 4 areas. Chhattisgarh was formed on 1st of November 2000. The state of Madhya Pradesh was reorganized and few districts was merged into Chhattisgarh. Uttarakhand was formed on 9th of November 2000. Uttarakhand state was carved out from Uttar Pradesh. Jharkhand was formed on 15th of November 2000. The southern states of Bihar were created into Jharkhand, and recently Telangana was carved out from Andhra Pradesh and formed on 2nd of June 2014. When was the Battle of Koregaon fought? 1st of Jan 1818, 1st of Jan 1918, 1st of Jan 2018, 1st of Jan 2008. Answer is A, 1st of Jan 1818 was the Battle of Koregaon fought. Again, very important topic from exam point of view. Expected questions in State Public Service Commission or UPSC. 201st anniversary of Koregaon battle will be observed on 1st of January 2019. Now, this Battle of Koregaon took place in the state of Maharashtra, also known as the Anglo-Maratha battle, which took place between the Marathas, Bajirao Peshwa II, and the British East Indian Company, represented by the Mahar soldiers. In those days, Mahars were treated as the untouchables by the upper caste. Now, this Battle of Koregaon is celebrated by Koregaon Dalits as symbol of their victory over the higher caste oppression. Now, on Jan 1st, 2018, 200th anniversary was celebrated, in which the violence broke out between the right-wing Hindu groups and the Dalit groups. Now, this year, tight security will be provided on Jan 1st, 2019. Which of the following is not the venue of the 4 Test series played between India and Australia? Adelaide, Perth, Melbourne, Canberra? The answer is D. Canberra, which is the capital of Australia, is not the venue for the fourth Test series played between India and Australia. The first Test was played in Adelaide and India won in this Test. The second played at Perth. India lost in this Test. Now, third Test match began in Melbourne Cricket Ground on 26th of December, which is also known as the Boxing Day. Now, many Commonwealth countries celebrate 26th of December as the Boxing Day. India and Australia playing for the Border Gavaskar Trophy, and the fourth Test match will be played in Sydney from Jan 3rd, 2019. Which country's former Prime Minister was sentenced to 7 years jail by anti-corruption court? Sri Lanka, Maldives, Pakistan, Iran. The answer is C. Pakistan. Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif was sentenced for 7 years jail in the Al Azizia case. Now, Al Azizia steel mills and hill metal establishments were set up in Saudi Arabia by the Nawaz Sharif. He could not explain the source of money used to set up these companies in Saudi Arabia in the year 2001. Now, Nawaz Sharif served as a Prime Minister of Pakistan for 3 non-consecutive terms. He belonged to Pakistan Muslim League Party. Which is the major area where many volcanic eruptions and earthquakes occur? Atlantic Ring of Fire, Pacific Ring of Fire, Indian Ring of Fire, Arctic Ring of Fire. The answer is not D. The answer is B, Pacific Ring of Fire. Make a correction there. Now, very important, previously asked, Pacific Ring of Fire is the major area where many volcanic eruptions and earthquakes occur in this area. Now, this is the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Australia, the islands of Indonesia, the Japan, the east coast of Asia, the west coast of North America and South America. Now, all these areas are disaster prone areas where many volcanoes and earthquakes occur. Now, recently tsunami occurred in the Indonesian islands, which is also part of Pacific Ring of Fire. Now, left side picture is the aerial view of the Anak Krakatoa volcano during an eruption at Sunda Strait. Let's see the question for the day. Who became the fastest Asian to cycle around the globe? Vedangi Kulkarni, Vivek Kulkarni, Jenny Graham, Annie Graham. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day question. Kisan Divas, also known as the National Farmers Day, is observed every year on December 23rd to celebrate the birth anniversary of which of the following former Prime Minister? The answer is D. Chowdhury Charan Singh. Now, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section: Malish, Gagandeep, Shamsher Saini, Kabatullah. Thank you all guys for following my videos. Now, Chowdhury Charan Singh served as the 5th Prime Minister of India from 1979 to 1980. He was often referred as champion of India's peasants. Now, any important leader, you need to know the state he has come from. He was born on 23rd of December 1902 in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So, remember these 3 days: December 23rd Kisan Divas, December 24th National Consumer Day, and December 25th Good Governance Day. Let's see the quote for the day. Once you replace the negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having the positive results. So just try this and always have a positive attitude no matter what in life. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.